Today I'm going to be showing you how to connect AirPods to the Apple TV. I've got these AirPods Pro here, Apple TV 4th generation with the Siri remote, and I'm going to show you how I connect them. So let's just take a look at our TV to start with. I'm going to bring the AirPods close by. And what I will say is that I have not yet connected these AirPods to the TV once, but I have connected them to my other Apple devices, my computer, my iPhone, and so it's probably already associated with my Apple ID. So the first thing I'm actually gonna do with you of these AirPods, I'm gonna hold down this button here. If you wanna see our video on the Apple TV remote, I will post that in the description below. And there's a button here on the control panel, that's the audio inputs. And so we could put it through the TV speakers, through the Apple TV if something was playing. We're just gonna open these up. This is kind of how it works for around all the Apple devices, and they've popped up right there. So put those in. Gonna take one of these out and put it in my ear. Okay, that's the right thing. It looks like, let's see, we got that sound bar, that's the volume, I guess. So you could adjust the volume using this here. And that's cool. I'm on transparency mode. Let's see. So you could also control the volume like this by clicking hard. And then we're gonna menu to get back down. Pretty cool. So that's it. That's on. I'm gonna go back to one of my apps and just make sure this works. So YouTube, we got our TV on the Siri remote. And yeah, the sound is coming through. This is great. And I took one AirPod out of my ear and the video automatically stops. Put it back in. Now let's say this was your first time pairing. So you're gonna, if you come over to here, you try that same thing. It's not showing up this time. It's never been paired to any of your Apple devices. What you're gonna do in this instance is you're gonna head over to the settings, not video and audio, but you're going to go to the remotes and devices, Bluetooth, and now you're gonna hold the back button on these AirPods. So you press that and you'll see a white light come on there, and then they show up on the TV, and just like normal, you scroll down, pair them, and now you're paired. And now they'll show up on your TV and your other devices like I showed before. Although the AirPods do sound awesome to my not expert ears, as of the making of this video, do not have the spatial audio feature that is found on the newer iPhones and newer iPads, and I'm unsure if they plan to be coming anytime soon. So I'm excited to use this for watching some movies at times when I want to keep the TV quiet. Great, because like when you want to switch to your iPhone, you just click on the AirPods on your iPhone, that switches right over. So it's really great. And that is how you use the AirPods for the Apple TV. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to help you out. And if you'd like to learn more about how to use the Apple TV or different things you can do on it, check out our YouTube channel or the playlist that we'll link in the description. And tech it easy.